Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left side, we have the SUVCON Dash Cam, and on the right side, we have the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Let's dive right into it and see which one comes out on top. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes in at $199, while the Cosuvow Dash Cam is a steal at just $59. That's quite a price difference. The SUVCON Dash Cam is a triple dash cam featuring a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a waterproof rear camera. On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dash Cam comes with an advanced StarVis sensor and 6-glass lens for Ultra HD 4K resolution. The SUVCON Dash Cam boasts a G sensor and parking monitor, ensuring automatic emergency recording and footage lock during sudden shakes or collisions. The Cosuvow Dash Cam also has a G sensor and loop recording, ensuring no important footage is missed. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes with 4 infrared LED lights for clearer night vision. On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dash Cam also has WDR and night vision capabilities, ensuring video clarity and color accuracy day and night. Both the SUVCON Dash Cam and the Cosuvow Dash Cam offer easy installation and user-friendly setup. The SUVCON Dash Cam is recommended for its affordability, clear picture and sound quality, and all-around protection. On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dash Cam is praised for its high-resolution lens, Ultra HD 4K resolution, and ease of use. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the SUVCON Dash Cam and the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K front dash camera for cars in 5 different categories. It's time to reveal our winner. Considering the price, features, functionality, night vision, and installation, our top pick is the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Congratulations, Cosuvow. You've impressed us with your affordability, advanced features, and easy installation. But hey, remember, the SUVCON Dash Cam is no slouch either. It's a great option if you're looking for that triple camera setup. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.